function of system monitor. One of the mandatory background process when we start a database instance, that is a main mandatory background process is SMON or system monitor. The main work of SMON is perform the database instance. So for fast forward phase 1, he will do roll forward, and then phase 2 he will do roll backward. Okay, so what is roll forward? Roll forward means, for example, your database got crashed. In that time, data file can't write due to crash. In that time, SMON system monitor read the redo logs entries, means uncommitted and committed transaction, and apply the data files. Whatever committed transaction, that will be roll forwarded and it will send to the data files through SMON. And whatever the uncommitted database, that will be rolled backward in the redo log buffer cache, and database will be stable situation and database will be start by SMON process in a consistent state. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like the button, subscribe to Brainbyte Technologies, and tap the bell icon for never miss an update.